End goal is maybe one day I could be in the podium.
This is their real time. If they improve to 215, you're fucked.
If they improve to 250, I'm fucked.
Dati hindi ko naisip na maglalaro tayo or magta-track tayo dito sa track. It's just it's a blessing na nandito din tayo.
They're doing good. The important thing at the moment is that they get confident and they don't make mistakes and they keep going.
Holy shit! Best personal best.
Pili ka ng kategory mo eh.
Di ba?
Oo, premium, prestige. Wala akong alam kung anong one ng mga categories. Sana makaoras lang tayo ng mga magaganda, no?
Oo.
Wag yung mga lalayo ng mga oras.
Oo. Kasi alam natin ano dapat oras natin, di ba?
Nag-practice na kahapon. Nag-practice na tayo kahapon. So as much possible, sana ganun na rin yung oras.
Ginaganto ko lang. Ginaganto ko lang, ganyan lang. O kaya usually yan, I think, ewan ko, patangin na.
Basta ganun.
Kami naman muna, practice.
First time ko po dito. Grabe. Napapanood ko po yung videos niya. Idol ko kita. Ah,
Mas bakit ka kumakain? Kinakabahan na, boss. It so happened that nakabili tayo ng laruan. So ngayon, inintroduce ako ng kaibigan ko kay Papi Marvel, who is our also builder ng kotse natin. It all started there. Nag-try tayo ng racetrack. Tapos doon, nag-enjoy tayo. Hanggang umabot na tayo dito sa pangatlong race natin.
yeah, bro. Thanks.
You know what to do?
Ano?
Yes. Kailangan ba mag-gloves, boss? Dapat pre-practice ko pala ito kahapon. I'm not really hoping. I just have to do what I have to do. Yun na.
That's all. Good luck, guys! Masaya tayo ngayon. We'll be doing our first session of the day sa Track Attack in Clark Clark International Speedway.
You cannot go below speed. Slow down. Sorry,
Ah.
Chill lang.
Ever since I was a kid, kaya ngayon, I'm fulfilling my dreams. Tingnan natin, anong magagawa ko. Kailangan lang tapangan. Kailangan matapang ka sa sports na to. Yun na yun. It's not about the car. It's about the driver. So, totoo yun. Problem, you have the passion. You like making the car go fast. Pero, yung tapang ng loob, ang kailangan mo i-build up. Sabi nga ng lahat dito, sit time ang kailangan.
Bata pa ako, boss, medyo may hilig na talaga ako sa kotse. Now, pwede siya maging passion. Dati, hindi ko naisip na maglalaro tayo or magta-track tayo dito sa track. It's just, it's a blessing na nandito din tayo, na nag-meet tayo lahat, camaraderie. I meet new friends, new people sa track, and everybody is enjoying lang. Enjoying.
Ang laki ng difference when it comes to handling kasi puro handling yung ginawa ni boss. Kaya nalalabas ng professional yung potential ng sasakyan and ako inaaral ko pa kung paano. Enjoy. That's the most important. Enjoy. Enjoy lang. Enjoy. Just enjoy the experience. Enjoy the competition. Just enjoy everything.
Pagkatapos nito, anong plan?
After this race, my plan is to keep joining competitions like this so that I can add more experience and maybe improve. So far, happy. But, syempre, hindi mawala yung kaba. It's your first time, so it's my first time. So, kabado talaga. End goal is maybe one day I could be in the podium. But for now, I'll just see how it feels in an actual competition, not practice but the actual.
So, pwede tayo mag-oras sa session 1. Sana makakuha tayo ng 2:15 na oras, 2 minutes 15 seconds na oras for now, para at least maganda-ganda naman yung oras natin.
Tingin ko,
The builder.
tingin ko kailangan sumakay ka lang sa kotse mo. Pumila ka na doon.
Tara, let's go.
Huh? How's the run so far? They're doing good. The important thing at the moment is that they get confident and they don't make mistakes and they keep going because the more laps they go, the more confidence they build up and the harder they can push the car.
I'm gunning for 2:15 only.
Yeah, where's your thing?
Dito ka, not allowed.
Not allowed.
Not allowed.
Ah, okay,
So if let's say what do you call this? My lap time is below, faster than my declaration.
okay.
We have a point for, what do you call that? Point
Yeah,
for
but
allowance.
if you go into the 215
Below.
bracket and you go below that, then you get a penalty, right?
Correct. That's why I wanna stay 215 and up.
Okay.
So what do you
that's why
think?
you're not pushing.
I'm not pushing.
So I was gonna say, what's going on? Why are you
Yeah.
not pushing? Because I see.
That's what I'm trying to maintain.
lap time na. May lap time na. Okay. Manuel Chua Jr. is number 3. So top 3 overall in group 1, 2, 3. So I think fuck going slow. Go
Tirahin
as
ko,
fast as you can. So
I'll go for 211, Goro. 212.
yes. Yes. That'll be, I think so you're with the big boys. And your time is 221.7.
Oh no.
So you are currently 3rd in your category.
Yes.
So just push it a bit more. Push it. So you are in you are both poised to get podium finishes. So we're good. We're good.
Oh my God.
Let's push na lang.
Ano yung kasunod?
Hindi, pero number 1 git kuya sa bracket to.
Ha?
Sa group to, number 1 ako.
Group 2 hindi.
216 na up eh. 215 and up, akong next.
Oh shit.
Number 1 ako.
You're number 1 sa bracket 2. Yeah. Correct. Pero push it more. 215 tayo.
Hindi,
Hindi,
kung
no.
mababa ako ng 215, patay na ako.
Oo nga. Pero
Pero I will still get
Look.
number 3 on top 3.
look.
Yeah.
Wait,
Come here,
look.
come here, Mas.
Look.
Remember one thing, right?
Yeah.
You're not going flat out.
I'm not going flat
Yeah.
out.
Correct. And it just takes a small mistake to go a little bit faster and go under 215.
Correct.
And then you're disqualified and get no podium. You're better off pushing and then trying to get 3rd in the big boys class.
Yes.
Because then you are sure you're going to come home with a trophy.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Because we don't know if this is their real
know.
time.
Yeah.
If they improve to 215, you're fucked.
So you cannot pace yourself. Right?
Yes.
Maybe you're backing off too much and then you become 2nd or 3rd because someone else pushing a little bit more, right? It's a very big risk to play this game.
Yes.
Correct.
You're better off.
Pushing.
Push, let's go push.
Because even if you push your best, you're automatically third.
Podium.
Yes.
Let's go for the podium.
And you're with the big boys.
Yes, and
So-
it's more advertising to be number 3
Yeah.
in the big boys.
So that's
class.
gonna be the plan for this second
Yes.
session.
And for him, he is currently number 3 on his category 20, 20, 21, 21. So push a bit more. I think you can get a fucking first place finish.
Pwede, kaya.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you sandbag now? Or did
A bit.
you push?
He did a bit.
Kinda.
I suggest push a little bit more.
Yeah. I'm confident with my drivers. I'm more confident with our fucking cars. So as long as the drivers deliver, which I think they will, we'll be alright. And take note, this is only their first time to race in Clark. First time ever. Yeah, so we're done for the day. The reason behind the no suspension setup, we actually planned this because he was like, let's upgrade the suspension, let's do this. No, let's upgrade your balls first. Give you as much fucking horsepower we can give you. Learn to drive it, and then when we put the suspension, it'll be easier for you to fucking adjust. What's the 86?
That's what I'm talking about.
That's it.
That's the fucking way you go and do it.
Let's go. What's the 86?
217.9.
Nice, nice.
211.2.
217.9. Holy shit! Hindi, puta. Personal best. That's good. That's good.
Angelo's fastest is a 201.25, which is a new personal best for him. Mark Savino couldn't improve on that. 211.29.
211! Holy shit! Gago! 211 ka?
Yeah, man.
Puta! 2:11.
So, wala na tayo sa bracket.
Holy shit! Holy shit! 2:11. Puta! 2:11. And then, third place, bracket 2. Third place, bracket 2. Went up. You went up, puta.
At least umakit tayo ng bracket.
2:17. Putang ina. Best, personal best. Puta. Puta. Both got their personal best today. Yeah, Manuel got 2:11.2. That's his personal best. It's his first time to drive here in Clark yesterday. First timer. The 86 is his first time to drive here in Clark yesterday. From a 2:24, he's now 2:17.
I didn't expect this, of course. Una-una sa third group lang sana tayo, but I didn't expect to go faster. I just followed basically Coach Thomas's instruction. And then I was able to maybe follow it a little bit. And then there, I got my personal best, ending me in Group 2, third place. It's actually my first race in Clark. I've been here for drag race, but I've been dreaming on going around in the circuit. And then now I managed to get an award. My next move is to improve myself, get more courage to go around the track, and maybe, hopefully, and I will get a better lap time next time. So to all the people that wants to try circuit racing, just go and try. Forget about the fear. It's safe in there. Just be safe.
Trophy tayo pa uwi. Nakachamba. First time. Tulong ni Papi Marbs, Miguel, the coach Thomas, and the team. We got what we want. Place. Unexpected podium. We're just planning to get a time of 2:15, supposed to be. But everything went out very, very good. We got a 2:11. But next race, we'll see more upgrades. Next is next race, July. I think we have a race July here again in Clark, and hope we'll get another good result in that race. That's gonna be our fourth race for the next month.